What's the difference between this hard piece of bread and this hard piece of bread? Well, one is stale and the other has been dried out in a low oven. They both feel dry and hard, but they're actually quite different. Joe here is going to help me demonstrate the difference. I made breadcrumbs with a slice of each and combined it with 3/4 cup of water that I dyed blue in these beakers. They've been sitting here for a few minutes to let the breadcrumbs absorb liquid. Now on the count of 3, we're going to invert these over our heads and we'll see what happens. 1, 2, 3. The oven-dried bread absorbed water so well it formed a solid puck that didn't even come out of the container. On the other hand, the stale bread failed to absorb much liquid and the sludgy breadcrumbs spilled right out onto Joe's head. Thanks, Joe. Here's what's going on. Stale bread may feel firm and dry, but it's got hidden reserves of water. Its firmness is a result of the slow rearrangement of its starch molecules into crystalline structures. Most of the water remains trapped by the starch, preventing it from absorbing much added liquid. And that's a problem, because absorption is necessary for trapping liquid, which is important whether you're making a panade with breadcrumbs, a stuffing for Thanksgiving, or inverting things over your head.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.